What up, Maple Leafs fans? That was a crazy game. And then, so what happened was, I will tell you later in the video. So let's talk about the Maple Leafs. So Maple Leafs beat the Tampa Bay Lightning for 5-2, and they will take the series with 2-1. And this game was a very good game. This game was a very good game by the Maple Leafs. They scored 5 goals. And Jack Campbell, he was a great, he was a great, he made terrific saves for the Maple Leafs. Mark Ryan got a goal tonight. Blackwell got a goal tonight. Kemp got a goal tonight. And 3 goals. Who only got a goal? McHale got 2 goals tonight. And it was a good game. I was getting kind of nervous at the end, but it was a good game. But now we got a game. What game we got? We got game 4 on Sunday. So that's gonna be fun to watch. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. That's my reaction to that game. There was no Bundesliga game on tonight because the rain. They were playing rain in Cleveland, so there were no games for that. So they're gonna be There gonna be 2 games tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun to watch. That's gonna be fun to watch. But I will make a video for that tomorrow. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I do. Bye for now.